and one more time, welcome to a live video stream on the Fiber Art Studio Tour group page. Jenny, you have a goat walking up behind you. Say hello. That might be Mabel. Hello, Mabel. Yep. We're out in my little pasture because we figured that, oh, Mabel, there's so Mabel again.
Oh my goodness. Do you want to come over here? She's like nibbling on the back of my neck. That's okay. Say quiet.
Wait, can I show them? I want to show them what you're seeing. Hi, Mabel. Oh my goodness, you know what? It might rain on us a little bit. That'll be okay. We're only going to be out here for 5 minutes. If it rains a lot, oh my God, it's a live video. We're out in the pasture and they're all going to gallop into the barn. Let's see if they do that. Can you believe, what do you do in your live video if all your animals decide they have to go be under the barn? So we do too. Because we have a few little things to say. All right, I'm going to walk and talk because it's going to be a quick video because of the rain. So anyway, there's a couple of things that I want to tell you on this live video. Oh yeah, I won't make them upset. Here, you can come around this way and I'll just be out in the rain. They all want that spot under there. Okay. I wanted to show you a couple things that come from my actual animals. Oh.
Just stand a little under there.
This is roving. This comes from my actual animals. And you can see by its natural color. On my website, I have it in real dyed colors. And here are a few of my farm yarns. I have this one out in bulky, and the little gray is the actual gray of the animals. And then I brought out 2 undyed ones so you could kind of, I wanted to show the undyed so you could see a relationship between their color and the color of the yarn. I mean, my goodness, isn't that cool? That is really cool. Mother Nature colors. Yeah. So, coming to you from the overhang of our barn in the rain. Anyway, the things I wanted to remember to say was, even though the live broadcast part of the show will end at 3, we're going to string together everybody's videos and make a watch party for tomorrow. So, from the remainder of the afternoon, there will be videos up through 3 o'clock, and then there will be prize drawings all afternoon, even after 3 o'clock, because we still have a bunch of prizes to give away. And then I think we're going to do a few prizes in the watch party. So if you have friends that you know that still want to participate and see what we did today, bring them on into the group for Sunday, because noon at Sunday we'll do a watch party of all the videos. And if you comment on those videos, you enter to win for the few little prizes that we give out tomorrow. So thank you for being a part of our fun afternoon of knitting. This will be my last video today, but there will still be other people posting videos until 3. So bye and thanks and have a great afternoon.